Hello there everyone and welcome to A-Level Maths Pure Paper 1, June 2023. Here we're looking at question 10. A circle has equation of this expression here. Find where k is a constant. Find in terms of k the coordinates of the centre C and the radius r. What we've got to do with this one is do a bit of double completing the square. Just looking at the x terms first, this tells me I need to do x plus 3k. You halve the expression in front of x and you put it in the bracket. Squared minus 9k squared. Then we're going to do the same thing for the y expression. Y minus k squared minus k squared plus 7 equals 0. So now we're going to move the terms that have come out of the brackets onto the other side. Equals 10k squared minus 7. So therefore the coordinate of the centre is coordinate minus 3k, k, and the radius is square root of 10k squared minus 7. Excellent, let's now move on to the next part. The line with equation 2x minus 1 intersects at two distinct points. Find the range of possible values of k. So if it intersects at two distinct points, then when we form a quadratic, we know that that quadratic is going to give us an expression that says b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So that's how we're going to form an inequality from this. So substituting y with 2x minus 1, so x squared, add 2x minus 1 squared, add 6kx minus 2k 2x minus 1 plus 7 equals 0. Okay, let's expand the brackets. We're going to get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 6kx minus 4k x plus 2k plus 7 equals 0. Right, we're going to group all of our terms together now. So we're going to get 5x squared. Then we're going to get some terms multiplying by x. We've got minus 4. We've got kx. So it's 6k minus 4k, so that'll be 2k. And we've got another 2k's, so that's, oh no, wait, that's a number. That's not only multiples of x, so it's minus 4, add 2k. And then the numbers at the end, we've got a 1, we've got a 7, so that makes 8. So it's going to be 2k plus 8 equals 0. Okay, so now we've got our expression for A, we've got our expression for B, and we've got our expression for C. We're now going to apply b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So 2k minus 4 squared minus 4 times 5 times c, 2k plus 8, is greater than 0. So let's expand the brackets now. We're going to get 4k squared minus 16k, add 16 minus 20 times 2 gives 40, so minus 40k, and then 20 times 8 gives 160, so minus 160 is greater than 0. Right, let's tidy this all up. So we're going to get 4k squared minus, so we want 16 add 40, 56k, and then we're going to have 16 minus 160 on the calculator, minus 144 is greater than 0. Let's divide all through by 4, because I think all of these can divide by 4. 56 divided by 4 is 14. Okay, and 144 divided by 4 is 36. And is greater than 0. Okay, so now we need to think of some expressions that can factorize. 9 and 4, no. 12 and 3, no. No, I don't think this factorizes, so we need to go to the quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula would tell us that k comes out to be 7 plus or minus root 85. And our quadratic is going to look something like, it's a positive one, it's going to look something like this. And we want to find out when this quadratic is above the 0 line, because we want to know above this 0 line here. This is our graph, so it's going to be above this section here and this section here. So k is going to be less than 7 minus root 85, and k is more than 7 plus root 85. Right, okay, so there we are. That's the answer to this question here then. So there we are. That's question 10 worth a total of 9 marks. Let's now move on to question 11.